Hey there, welcome back to Ayuko's YouTube channel, and today in this video I have installed ColorOS 16 based on Android 16 on my Redmi 4X. So how does it perform and what's updated? Let's find out. So this is the installation guide of ColorOS 16 based on Android 16 or Redmi 4X. So as you can see, I am on the stock ROM. So you first have to boot to fastboot. You can reboot your device and press and hold the volume down button and it will boot you to fastboot mode. Now connect your phone to the PC and type fastboot flash recovery recovery.img or twrp.img, whatever recovery you want to flash. The next command is fastboot boot recovery.img, and I will provide the link of the recovery in the description as well. And as you can see, it will boot you to Orange Fox or TWRP. Now format the data and wipe partitions and then go to ADB sideload and swipe, and then in PC type ADB sideload repartition.zip or whatever the file name is. It will reboot the recovery, and now format the data again and wipe partitions again and then sideload the ROM. You have to wipe all the partitions except microSD and USB storage. After enabling sideload mode in recovery, you have to type adb sideload rom.zip in PC. It will start flashing instantly, and after the flashing is done, you have to format data again and then reboot. The ROM will take like 10 to 15 minutes for the first boot and will take a few hours to settle. So let's wait for the boot up. And here I am back at the setup screen. As you can see, I'm setting up the ROM. It takes a lot of time to set up the ROM as it has both Oppo and Google stuff. You have to deny to a lot of permissions here. So let me tell you something about this ROM. This is basically an update to the previous version of the same ROM for the same device, Redmi 4X. And this version has so many important changes. For example, the blur is decreased a lot to improve stability. As you can see, the stutter and lags are fixed as well. It does not lag that much like the previous version. Both the QoS and notification panel works perfectly fine and are smooth. Now let me show you the about page of this ROM. As you can see, it is based on ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, and it is ported from Overfind X9 Ultra. And now let me show you the Easter egg of Android 16. Android 16 basically has this game of space. The UI is pretty modern as this is the latest version of ColorOS as of now. The ROM doesn't lag or stutter like previous one. It is kinda daily drivable. And this is a debloated version of the previous ROM, so it has many useless apps removed. Now let me show you some of the changelogs and then we will test out the camera. As you can see, there are a lot of changes. For example, debloated, MI camera is added, and AI or Brino is removed. So this is the MI camera they are talking about, and it works perfectly fine. Both the picture and video captured by this camera is perfect. It captures almost all the details. As you can see, built-in Oppo gallery is also present in this ROM, and it needs some permissions. And this is the image. As you can see, it looks good. This is a repartition based ROM, so you will get around 20 GB of free storage out of 32. Battery backup of this ROM is also fine. The fingerprint bug is still there, but if we ignore that, the ROM is overall working perfectly fine, and you can also install Play Store manually and pass Play integrity using modules. I will link all the resources down in the description. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Have a good day.